Hello, Mr. Geislart here, and we're going to take a look at number 11 from the remediation for chapter 10-11. It says, Alan got an idea. He was going to make a large Hershey Kiss in the shape of a cone. He had 5 foil-wrapped chocolates that he was going to melt down and then pour into a cone mold. If the width of one ball is 10.2 millimeters, how high will the cone be if he uses all 5 chocolates to make a cone? The radius of the cone is 15.5 or 15.6 millimeters. So the first thing we have to do is find the volume of one of the spheres. So we have volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So it's going to be 4/3 times pi times my radius, which is 5.1 cubed, which equals 555.6472. Now, that's just going to be the volume of one of them. The common mistake in here is that he has 5 of those balls all together. If there's 5 of them, the volume of one ball is my answer here, so 555.65. But then to find how much volume I'll need to use for the cone, I need to multiply this by 5. Now, they're not all 5, so make sure that yours isn't something different. It might be 4 balls, it might be 6 balls, it might be 3 balls. But when I do that, I end up with 2,778.2360. Now, once I know the volume of chocolate that I have, I know that the formula for the volume of a cone is the area of the base, which is pi r squared, times the height, divided by 3. So my volume is 2,778.2360, and that equals pi times my radius, which is 15.6 squared, times the height, divided by 3. So if I put that over 1, I'm going to cross multiply, and when I take 3 times 2,778.236, I'm going to end up with 8,334.7081 is equal to pi times 15.6 squared times the height. Now, all I need to do is divide by pi times 15.6 squared, divide this by pi times 15.6 squared, and when I do that, that's going to cancel with that. Now, make sure in the bottom that you put that all in parentheses before you put it in your calculator. And I'm going to end up with the height equaling 10.9016, so this will just be 10.9.